Using a merge cube with the Object Viewer app. You can use the Object Viewer app on your student devices. Open the app up and have the merge cube near and ready to go. Once the app is loaded, you have the option to choose from various collections. Once you click on the collection, various objects are available for students to use. Click on the object you'd like to view in AR. Once it is loaded, you now need to select View with the cube from the top menu. Then scan the merge cube and you'll see the AR object appear. Students can then pick up the merge cube to view the different aspects or different views of the object. And then if there's an information label on the object, they can click this to see more information. This could be used in a variety of subjects, including HASS.